Okay, so my partner makes a double fist and he pushes towards me. What I want to do is, through that tension line that he's sending up through his body, I want to press onto his push, both hands push. There. Now I want to feel his base. So I just touch his base, release, touch his base, release. And because he's projecting forward, there's more pop. There'll be more separation of his intent, and his balance will move out from his mass because of that projection. Once we've established that pop in his body, as you take the pressure off, I want you to grab the fascia and stretch your awareness down the line to the foot, pull your joints open, and just destabilize his base. So I'm touching base, taking the pressure off so the spring pops, pull back, and then pull his center and everything I can feel up by pulling my joints open, creating a magnetic pull. So I engage and then pull. So this engaging the tension, taking the tension off and then going to a magnetic state. Once you have the pulling out this way, you can pull the gap and then send the energy any direction you want once you've pulled the balance out. The obvious is that if he's pushing on my body, I would yield inside my body to capture his balance and pull him through in a Tai Chi sort of way. But in a Qigong way, you yield into the space around your partner to affect balance. And because he's got a fist and he's projecting, the tension line becomes much easier to work with. Where if a person just had the bridge up, the gap is much smaller when you release the tension. So for him, he's just stretching from his base through his hand and projecting out through me. For me, I'm touching that line, finding the separation, then grabbing and pulling everything open by pulling the joints open, going magnetic. Okay, have a play.